St. Andrew Technical's 2-1 victory over Kingston College in the STATHS U16 urban area football competition could be regarded as bigger than just a victory on the field. The triumph lifted the spirits of the entire school community after their student and Manning Cup star Omar Laing was killed just days earlier.
Omar Laing's killing in downtown Kingston a little over a week ago left a dark cloud over St. Andrew Technical High School and Cavalier Football Club, the two institutions where he left his mark through his talent on the football pitch. But none of those institutions could have felt the pain of his mother, Melorine Gizzard. But Omar's younger brother, Omari Laing, got the chance to put a smile back on his mother's face and continue his brother's legacy, as he was a member of his school's under-16 team. And after scoring in the semi-final just days after his brother's killing, Omari celebrated winning the title after his team's 2-1 victory over KC in the final this past Thursday.
I feel so wonderful. I feel sad a few days ago, but now I'm happy and glad my next son carried home.
Gizzard says her joy was made even sweeter by the fact that this is a trophy her slain son Omar always wanted to win.
We have always wanted this trophy from 2015. My son has playing Coles. He always wanted to win this trophy. The way him happy, him good as glad right now. Cause as we are saying, Mommy, me I go bring my brother in a football, Mommy. But my son, your brother has done it for you. Your brother has done it for you, Omar.
Laing's killing was one of those moments where football felt completely irrelevant as a family and community mourned the loss of a talented young man. But last Thursday it seemed more than just a game, as the sport brought plenty of smiles in a time of grief. Jordan Fort.
Omar, I love you so much.
One leg. One leg. One leg.
TVJ Sports.